One of the keys to great skin, get you some water, girl. Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Eboni Chauntae. I am back with another video. Today is gonna be skincare routine. I am looking very barefaced. I have my robe on. I just got out the shower. So I'm actually just preparing to go to sleep, and I'm just gonna show you guys all of the products that I use. Sometimes I use them in rotation, but I'm going to show you some of the products that I use, and I'm going to show you the ones that I'm using tonight. So the first thing you want to do is, I use Wipes, the Huggies Simply Clean fragrance free. Make sure they have no fragrance in them. Okay, so they look like this. I got them for I think like $1 at the dollar store. And I'm just taking a clean one, and I'm just gonna wipe the surface of my face, cleaning it from all the dirt. And like, you guys see that is just disgusting. And because it's fragrance free, it won't irritate the eyes. I always go behind my ears, the crease of my nose, eyebrows, my mouth, down my neck. So now that we're done, I'm gonna go in and do my cleansing part. So the product that I use for cleansing is this coconut rose cleansing wash. It looks like this. I hope you guys can see it. I got this for $5.99 from TJ Maxx. And I'm just gonna step off camera and just cleanse my together. Now I like to use my hands first before I go in with my little cleansing brush. I'm gonna go into, I mentioned this on my channel before, this is the Deep Clean Neutrogena oil-free, a gentle and effective cleanser that improves your complexion. I am almost out of this, my second bottle. I use this in the morning and at night. I take about this much of it and I just rub it on my hands. My hands are clean. Once again, they are clean. And I'm just gonna take now, this gives my face like a very like minty feel. It's not minty, but it tingles on my skin, and I actually like that. Years after I get out the shower, I just put it in with my skincare routine. So I got this baby from when my mom picked this up for me because I've been using hers. So she picked this up for me from Dollar Tree. It has Q-tips, cotton balls, and some face pads. So I'm gonna just take 2 Q-tips out and clean these ears. So okay, I'm gonna show you guys some of the toners that I like so far. This is the Pixie Gold Tonic. I got this as a sample from Target. It was like $5.99. I've been using this lately. I'm really in love with this. This gives me a nice glow after I use it, and I put on my moisturizer and spray. So go to Target, get you some Pixie. I actually want to do a full product line with them on my channel, so I have to go pick some of their stuff up. But this is my current fave that I'm using this week. The next one is Thayer's Witch Hazel, and this is the Rose Petal. I love this, and this smells amazing. Oh my god, it smells so good. So yes, I also got this from Target for $5.99. This is the travel size. Then I've already mentioned this on my channel. This is the Humphreys alcohol-free citrus witch hazel oil controlling face toner, and I got this from Target for $5. And I got these cotton rounds from my local Walgreens. And I just take this and gently go over my face. I'm looking in the mirror, you guys. to see what I'm doing if you don't see me looking in the camera. Pond's moisturizer, and nourishes dry skin and adds softness for dry to very dry skin. And as you can see, I am almost out of it. So I honestly just take a little bit. That's it. Because this stuff is so, it goes a long way. Like a little goes a long way. And I don't want to be drenched in moisturizer because I'm already hot as it is. My hands are clean, once again. I'm already hot as it is. When I sleep, I'm gonna wash my moisturizer that I have here. You know, when I don't want to use Pond's, I use the Shea Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration face lotion, and it looks like this. And yes, I've already used it. This isn't as good as this. I would pick this over this any day. But when I run out of this, I will finish this up. But this is, it's very lightweight. It doesn't really feel like moisturizing to me. Although when I used it, I did notice a difference in my skin. But I'm gonna finish this up and then I'll go back to this. Next thing I do, I just like to moisturize my lips. This is the Chapstick Total Hydration Soothing Oasis. And it looks just like this. I got this from Tarte. No, I got this from CVS for like $3. So I just gotta keep soft lips. I have several facial sprays here and I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna use two tonight. So the first one that I use sometimes is the Pure Essence Coconut Water. I haven't used this in so long because I've started using the rose water, but when the rose water runs out, I'll use the coconut. But this was $5.99 at Target. That's my facial. You already know Mario Badescu, the facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. This is Bae. You guys know I loved the pink one. This one is Bae as well. So this is gonna be one of the ones I use tonight. And I don't like to spray too much of it because I don't want to waste it, but I just let that dry. And it smells so good, you guys. And you see how it leaves your skin like so glowy. It gives you that natural glow. The next spray that I'm using tonight is the Rose Water by Pure Essence. This is the Hydrating Face Mist, and this was $6.99. I think this one, I don't know why that one was $5.99. This was $6.99. But this is just great too. Y'all. These things are Bae. And that's it, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed my updated skincare routine for 2018. If you guys have any questions, you can hit me down below or you can hit me on my socials. They'll be in the description or somewhere on the screen. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.